Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Yolanda Maria. If this is your first time here, Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. This is my first video of 2024 and I am so excited. So before we jump into this video, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below because we're about to go ahead and talk about what products that I am going to use up in 2024 because I'm on the train of hashtag use your stash. Comment down below, what are you planning to use up in your stash for 2024? Okay, y'all, I just did an empties video, my empties of 2023, so make sure you go ahead and watch that video. I will go ahead and leave it up in the cards. But y'all, this is it. This is the last of my stash. Can you believe it? I have not purchased anything for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or anything for the last 2 years, and this, what we're going to talk about today, is the end of my stash, and I'm hoping to use it all up in 2024. So starting in wash day order, we are going to talk about the pre-poos first. The first pre-poo that I want to go ahead and get used up, I had a couple of these. This is the Nature's Little Secret Fenugreek Detangle Pre-Poo. And again, I had purchased a few of these and this is the last one in my stash. So I'm hoping to go ahead and get this used up. I don't know that I'm going to repurchase anything in my stash. I don't know that I'm going to repurchase just yet. I want to get rid of everything and then start all over and start rebuilding back up to the things that are necessary. So I'm not quite sure I'm going to use it, but I did enjoy this pre-poo. It is made high quality, and you can tell this is handmade with great ingredients. So I definitely love this as a pre-poo. I did a review on this on my channel. I will go ahead and leave it up in the cards. I did enjoy it. It's just that my hair is definitely more on the low porosity side, so it is a little dry. So pairing this with a conditioner is something that I have to do just to get that extra oomph, that extra moisture, compared to my DIY, which is just a mixture of olive oil, conditioner, and honey. So using my own DIY, that really helps my hair type. But pairing it with this, or just this alone at times when my hair is not so dry, is a great pre-poo. So make sure you guys check this out. Now, I did do a review with Negas Banda and it was unsponsored, of course. I did try out several of their products because Sheree Del Sol did a review on it. So based on her review, it caused me to go ahead and make that purchase. So I did pick up the Shea Bay Pre-Poo treatment. I really enjoyed this. And again, I do have a review on my channel of the products that I did purchase for that wash day. So I'm gonna just show you guys all of that. This is the Moist Hydration Shampoo, and I also picked up the Green Smoothie Anti-Shedding Rinse. So when I did the review on these products, number one, I did see that Sheree used this product, which is the pre-poo, along with the Green Smoothie Anti-Shedding. Now, I did not use these products in that way because I didn't read the directions fully, and that's my fault. You can use this product in two ways. So again, this is the anti-shedding. You can use it before as a pre-poo or pre-shampoo treatment, or you can use it after the shampoo and then rinse it out. I did get some comments under that video saying to pair these two together, that I, definitely need to do that. And again, I do recall that Sheree did it as well. So on my next wash day, when I use these products, I will combine these two together and see how they work. I thought this worked very good with my shedding. I don't shed a lot anymore, but it felt that it was a really good scalp treatment. So yes, I plan to use up this whole Negas Banda product. Next in my stash are going to be several conditioners, and believe it or not, after we're done talking about these conditioners, that is it, y'all. The end of 2024, by the end of 2024, I will have used up my entire stash, okay? So the very first deep conditioner that I want to talk about is going to be Dr. Miracle's Strong and Healthy Rice Protein Babasu Oil Hydrating and Strengthening Deep Conditioner. Y'all, these names on these products, y'all. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and use up this product. This is a protein and moisture deep conditioner, so it's very light protein in this. And I actually have one more of these. It has not opened, so this one is open, so I plan to use this up by the end of 2024. So I pray to get rid of this. When I actually purchased this, I think I purchased like 3 or 4 at one time because they were running a sale on Amazon. And yeah, I picked it up. I absolutely love it. But because I have so many deep conditioners, it's just so hard to get through them all. But I pray and hope to get through this one by the end of 2024. The next 2 deep conditioners I want to talk about, because they were with the same company or are with the same company, is going to be with Miche. This is their limited edition. This is their Sweet Pumpkin Spice Ayurvedic limited edition, and I don't have a lot of this left. This is really almost gone, so I definitely plan to use this one up in 2024, and I hope to use this one up as well. This one has a little more in it, so yeah. So I do hope to use both of these up this year. I have significantly reduced the amount of shampooing that I'm doing on my hair. I was shampooing my hair and cleansing my hair and styling my hair every week. And when I realized that I was doing more damage than good because I have very fine strands, I had to gradually reduce my shampoo wash days to once a month. So I'm really only gonna be washing my hair 12 times out of the year. So I don't know how I'm gonna get rid of all this, but I'm gonna try. The next conditioner that I do want to definitely use, I don't know that I'm gonna use it up because it is brand new. I just purchased this. This is, and I did not know, y'all, and if you didn't know, I don't know when Shea Moisture came out with a bond repair collection. Okay. They have a full bond repair collection, y'all. I had to make sure I picked this up. So I have never used a bond repair at all. I've never used Olaplex. I've never used I think it's K18 or something to that nature. I still have not jumped on the bond repair train. I've always just been using Protein or Afro-G. So this is the Shea Moisture Amla Oil. So they're trying to come in with some Ayurveda, okay? The Bond Repair Mask repairs damaged hair bonds, 84% less breakage. Okay, this is a 4-step process. They have a whole collection of this, but I only picked up the deep conditioner. I didn't pick up the entire line, but I literally did not know at all that Shea Moisture came out with this. So I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to use it up because, again, I just literally last week bought it, so it's full. So I don't know that I'm gonna be able to use it up, but I definitely will be using this in 2024. And the very last product that I have, I already know I'm not going to use it up, but I am going to use it because it is such a large container. It is 14 fluid ounces. Is the Melanin Hair Care, y'all. I have never tried Melanin Hair Care at all. I've never purchased one of their products before, so this is the very first product that I have purchased for Melanin Hair Care, and this is their Plumping Deep Conditioner. This is also a moisture protein balance conditioner. So I am looking forward to trying out this product. So I have not used it one time. I purchased it a few months ago. It was out of stock for a long time, and then it came back in stock and I was able to get my hands on it, but I still have not been able to use it. So it hasn't been used one time, and with the amount that you get, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to use it all up in 2024, but I'm definitely going to try my best. But I have so many deep conditioners that, I just don't know how much I'm going to get through, but I am going to try my best to get through these products. So yeah, guys, that was the very end. That's all of my stash, y'all, from 2024. I'm trying to get rid of everything. I'm hoping to be done with all of this stuff by Black Friday. I'm hoping to be done with all of this by Black Friday of 2024 so that I can re-up on my favorites. I want to go ahead and build my stash back up of what my staples are. So yeah, hoping to be done with all of these. Make sure you comment down below if you have used any of these products, and also comment down below what you plan to use up in 2024. Make sure you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.